Hello everyone. In this video, we will going to solve the exponential problem, which is 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x equal to 16. On the left hand side, we have exponential part. On the right hand side, we have the constant, which is 16. Now, to solve this problem, we will going to use an unusual method. Unusual method in the sense that that kind of method is not being used regularly to solve this kind of problem. So, I hope you know that because it is a very easy problem, but we will going to use the unusual method to give you some other perspective that what is the other way we can solve this problem. So let's start and solve this problem. To solve this problem, what we will going to do, we will going to divide both side by 5 to the power x. So let's divide 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x minus 16. Now we can write 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x by 5 to the power x equals to 16 divided by 5 to the power x. Now 5 to the power x and 5 to the power x will turn into 1 minus 3 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x equals to 16 divided by 5 to the power x. Now we can write 3 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x as 3 by 5 whole to the power x, because the exponents is equal. Exponents means x, the power is equal. So by using the formula of laws of indices, which is a to the power m divided by b to the power m, can be written as a by b whole to the power m. So in this case I am using this formula. So that is equals to 3 by 5 whole to the power x equals to 16 divided by 5 to the power x. Now we are seeing that 3 by 5 which is less than 1, because denominator is greater than the numerator, that is why the less than 1. So in this case what we will going to get, suppose we have an exponential function, suppose suppose b to the power x, so b equals to 3 by 5. So what we will going to get, we will get a decreasing function, that means this function is decreasing. This function is decreasing. In the case of 16 divided by 5 to the power x, so 5 to the power x, what will be the representation of the 5 to the power x? 5 to the power x will be represented in this way, it is an increasing function. So as the 5 to the power x is increasing, so that is why 16 divided by 5 to the power x is decreasing. So I hope you understand. Now for the left hand side, 1 minus 3 by 5 whole to the power x. So as the 3 by 5 whole to the power x is decreasing function, so that is why 1 minus 3 by 5 whole to the power x is an positive. So here we have an increasing function, because if 3 by 5 whole to the power x is decreasing, then 1 minus decreasing is also increasing. So it is an increasing function, and we have the decreasing function on the right hand side. So if we will going to put the decreasing function with the increasing function, suppose in y and the x axis, suppose left hand side is decreasing function, 3 by 5 whole to the power is decreasing, but the whole function is increasing. So the function will be represented in this way, that is 1 minus 3 by 5 whole to the power x. But the right hand side, which is 16 divided by 5 to the power x, is a decreasing function. So this function will decrease. So these two function will going to intersect. So intersect function is the a value of the x. So in this case we will going to get the value of the x. So how we will going to solve it? We will going to rearrange the functions which we are getting, that is 1 equals to 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 16 by 5 to the power x. So what we are seeing, on the right hand side we are getting 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 16 divided by 5 to the power x. Again we will going to put that function on the graph is y against the x axis. So if x equals to 0, then what we will going to get, we will going to get 3 by 5 to the power 0 plus 16 divided by 5 to the power 0, any to the power 0, that means a to the power 0 is equals to 1, that means 1 plus 16, that is equals to 17. So this is 17. So this is a decreasing function. So the function is will going to be like that. Now on the left hand side, that is equals to 1. That means y equals to 1, which is a constant that is parallel to the x axis. So this is parallel to the x axis. So this is y equals to 1. So x equals to, that means the right hand side, 3 by 5 whole to the power x plus 16 divided by 5 to the power x is intersecting with the y equals to 1. That is the point where we will going to get the value of the x. So what was the function we wrote? The function we wrote that 5 to the power x, the 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x equals to 16. As we do not have the graph paper over here, so we will going to use the problem, we will going to use the guess and the guessing problem. We will going to use the guessing with the to find the solution of this equation. So guessing and the problem solving is the part of the solving the mathematics. So how we will going to guess? We will going to guess the value of the x. So suppose we have x equals to 1, then we will going to replace the x with the help of the 1. Then 5 to the power 1 minus 3 to the power 1, that is equals to 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Is 2 is equals to 16? No. So 1 should not be the value of the x. Now we will going to put the x equals to 2. Now what we will going to get? 5 square minus 3 square equals to 16. So 5 square equals to 25, 3 square equals to 9. So that is equals to 16. So right hand side we have 16. So 16 equals to 16. So now what is the answer of the x? The answer, the final answer of the x is equals to 2. This is the answer. So this is an unusual method because we use the guessing things, the guessing to solve the problems by using the graphs. The graphs means the exponential graphs. So I will going to show you some of the graphs. So I hope you will going to have the ideas to solve the problems in this kind of problem in your examination. Suppose we have e to the power x and we have e to the power minus x, then what kind of graph it will be? Suppose this is an y axis and this is an x axis. This is an y axis, this is an x axis. So e to the power x is positive. So e to the power x graph is that. That means when x equals to 0, then e to the power 0 is equals to 1. So that is equals to 1. So e to the power minus x, the graph is like that. So this is the intersection. So in this way we will going to get the e to the power plus x and the e to the power minus x graph. Now in case of we have e to the power x and log x, e to the power x and log x, then what will be the representation of the graph? E to the power x is like that, and log x graph is like this. So this is the log x graph and this is the e to the power x graph. Now if y equal to x, then what will be the graph? This will be the graph because the m is equals to 1. So the graph representation of y equals to x is like that. So this is the graph of e to the power x, this is the graph of log x, and this is the graph of y equals to x. So these are the concept. You will going to use this kind of concept to solve the problems of this kind. I hope you will going to love it, the way I've solved these equations or the problems. Do not forget to comment, and if you have any question you can mail me to my email address, which is tuhin.power.academy@gmail.com. So thank you very much. Thank you for your support. And I will going to solve this problem, the same problem, in my next topic by using the another method.